Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So I am extremely excited to try this new recipe out today. It is called Dill Pickle Pasta Salad. I've been seeing it floating around on Facebook. The recipe was put out by Spaceships and Laser Beams is the blog name, and I will link that in the description box so that way you'll be able to get the recipe in its entirety. But it looks so good, but in my head it's like pickles and pasta together as a salad. I'm not sure, but I love pickles so much that I have to try this, and I thought that a lot of you might enjoy it as well, because I know I have a lot of pickle lovers out there, especially after doing that air fryer pickle video. So I want to go ahead and do this recipe. It's going to be, I'm going to cut the recipe in half just because I know I'm the only one in the house that's going to eat it. So I'm going to cut it in half. But before I get started, I want to show you what the ingredients are. So the first thing is rotini pasta. And of course you need dill pickles. These are my favorite ones. I get these at Costco. We need some parsley, black pepper, onion powder, sour cream. I use light sour cream, and some mayonnaise. I like Duke's. Oops. And then some freeze-dried dill, and I believe the recipe may call for some fresh dill. I think to top it all off. I didn't buy that. I'm just going to use my dill, and some sharp cheddar cheese. So like I said, I'm going to use I'm going to make half of the recipe. So let me get the camera turned around and we will get started. All right, we're going to get started with getting this water on. So I have a pot of water we're going to go ahead and boil. All right, my friends, so we're going to get ahead and get started with making the dressing that'll be going over the pasta salad. So I'm starting with, and as I mentioned, I am cutting this recipe in half. So I'm starting with a 1/4 cup of sour cream, and I did use the light sour cream. And now I'm doing a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. I don't know why I like saying that. Okay, we have those. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in my dill pickle juice. And then I have here, I have my freeze-dried dill, some onion powder, black pepper, and dried parsley flakes. So we're going to go ahead and add all of those in. Then we're going to go ahead and mix this up really well. It smells good. Oh, look at that. That looks really good already. Look at that. See that, my friends? Sorry if there's a shadow on that. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so we're going to go ahead now and I'll put this to the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and chop up my chop up my pickles and air cheese. The water is just about ready to boil, so I'm going to go ahead also and put our pasta on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut up our cheese first. So I'm going to do about half of this block of cheese. I'm going to cut it up in little cubes. Go ahead and do half. Put that to the side for later. I like smaller cubes. That is totally up to you how you want to do it. Okay, my friends, my water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my pasta. I'm gonna just do about half of the box. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I believe this is 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer, 9 minutes. All right, friends, well, I have a quick second. I just put a half a box of pasta in to start boiling. Sorry for the light. So which leaves me a half a box, and I do not like leaving it in these boxes. So I have these little containers. It's Better Homes and Gardens from Walmart. And what I do is I take a chalk marker and I write on the container, rotini, and it is 8 to 10 minutes to cook. So on the side I write 8 to 10 minutes, so that way I know if I don't have another box in the pantry what the time is, because a lot of the pasta brands are different. So then I just put it in this little container, and then I stack it nice, and I have some other ones in there with penne and elbow. So I just wanted to give you that little tip of how I store my pasta once it's open if I don't use it all. So let's get back to cooking. All right, friends, so now we're gonna go ahead and chop up some pickles. Let me get these out. Okay, I think this is enough. This is about a cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it down the middle like that. And like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut this up. Just like that. I'm not a big fan of big chunks. Okay, that is it for that. Put that aside. So I'm going to go ahead and put the pickles right here in this bowl. And then once the pasta is cooked and we drain it and cool it, we'll go ahead and start mixing our ingredients. All right, my friends, my pasta is now cooked. So we're going to go ahead and drain it and rinse it with some cold water. And then we're going to go ahead and let this sit here in the sink to cool down a little bit, and then we'll get our pasta mixed up. Alright, my friends, my pasta is now cold, so I have my dill pickles in here. I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta salad right in there. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up real quick. Okay. That is mixed up. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in my dressing. Pour that in. I'm going to do half, mix it up, and then put the rest in. Let's get that stirred up nicely. Smells good. Okay, let's finish it off. And I'm sure when this sits for a few hours, it will soak up that dressing. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add in some cheese. And then the rest of the cheese. Give that a nice stir. Then I'm just going to top it off with some of my dill. And that is it, my friends. So I am going to cover this up and refrigerate it for a couple of hours, and we'll do a taste test a little bit later on today. All right, my friends, my dill pickle pasta salad is done. It's cold enough, so I'm gonna try this. This is going to be my first time having this, so I have no idea what it tastes like. It smells really good. I'm surprised. I like it. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I didn't think I was gonna like this. I was really skeptical. I just kept thinking the pickles and the pasta together just was not working for me in my mind, but yet I was intrigued and had to try it. Friends, I really like this. I really, really, really like it. Oh my goodness. It's delicious. Anyway. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I tried that after all. So anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This recipe gets a 2 thumbs up from me. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, as it does help me out. If you haven't already, please hit that little bell, and that way it will notify you every time I have a new video coming out. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. As I said, thank you again. I really appreciate all your support, all of you watching my videos and subscribing, as it really, really helps me out. So thanks again, friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.